Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to build a solar cover holder for our Intex Ultraframe 12 by 24 pool. That's not easy to say. Let's get to it. Hey, welcome back. I'm glad you're with us today, and this is the problem I am trying to solve. When the kids go swimming, the solar cover ends up all over the place. So I've watched several videos on YouTube. I've thought about making a reel, but I don't really want to mess with that, and that just doesn't look too dependable. And if you haven't seen my videos about my pool, I have an Intex 12 by 24 Ultraframe pool. I think I'm going to go with what some people have put out there, and that is the little PVC hanger pieces right here, to where we'll be able to kind of fold the cover back and put it in kind of accordion style, I would call it. And then one of us can get on each end and just pull it back across here to get it back on the top. So on the Ultraframe pool, my plan is to just cut the PVC to size and then use some cable ties to attach it to the metal posts. I'll probably put 3 or 4 of the PVC in place to hold the cover. And here's what I'm going to use to do this. I have some 3/4 inch PVC pipe, some glue, tape measure, PVC cutters. That just makes it a lot easier. A bag full of end caps, a bag full of elbows, and some cable ties. Let's get some measurements and see if we can get this thing figured out. Okay guys, I think the best fit for this, I'm going to give one a try. It's 2 foot down here, 16 across, and probably 2 foot up, maybe a little less, I'll see. Right now I'm going to cut 2 2-foot pieces and a 16-inch piece and hook it up there and see what it looks like. My mock-up. I think I can make 4 of these that go across here and dump the cover in, and it can even sit on the edge of the pool a little bit. I'm going to cap these off right here just so it won't damage the cover as it goes in. Can't decide if I should make this piece longer down here at the bottom. The thing is, this area goes all unused, so I guess I could make it a little bit bigger. Maybe I'll just make that a solid 2 feet, so it's 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. Okay guys, my mock-up is created. 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. It's going to fit back there fine. I just held it up there. So next I need to basically make 3 more of these and then glue them all together and put the caps on. Okay guys, there it is with some cable ties on it. I'm just going to put a pair of pliers on these and make these tighter. Just so they're nice and snug. Okay guys, there it is. We're going to see if it's going to be strong enough to hold it. I may have to put another one here, we'll see. Let's see if we can get you set up with a view, and I'll attempt to pull it back. I'll probably fast forward through this, it'll take me a while. It'd be much faster if we had 2 people. Well, there you go, guys. I have to admit, I was a little afraid that this 3/4 inch PVC wasn't going to be strong enough, but once you get the water off the top of that solar cover, it's really pretty light, and it holds that up there nicely. So now when we want to put it back on, we'll leave it kind of draped over the top here, and we'll get a person on each end and we'll just pull it back right on top of the pool. Hey, I think that's going to work.